cause there's a flood on the main road. There's a flood on the main road. Flood, on the main road. A dirty cat coming down at the relief is low, cause there's a flood on the main road. Tonight we going theater. Granny let again it on the water. So I take a little bath by the standpipe, and I know she go be real vexed with me tonight. So I have to think of my best lie. Tonight I go fake a cry. Whole evening baby I feeling sick. A bad roti